Well, you don't know it yet, but if you're making Dr. Davis probiotic yogurt, Lreuteri, Gasseri, B coagulants, you need me. My name's Kit. My YouTube channel is one solid word, no separation. Go with a capital G, ask with a capital A, Kit with a capital K, Go Ask Kit. Go to my YouTube channel, will ya? Because you need me. If you want to make yogurt that's this good, every time, in not 36 hours, but 28 hours. Save a lot of time, save a lot of energy. If you're sick and tired of your not having a good recipe for your yogurt, what inulin, what products to use, what half and half, what machine to use, how to do things. That's what I'm here for. I didn't get popular overnight for no reason, because people are using my method and their yogurt's not separating. It's delicious. They're getting healthy with Dr. William Davis probiotic yogurts. And you can too. So don't put it off. Look me up. I'm Kit at Go Ask Kit.